Hey guys, and welcome back. So in the last section, we discussed about how we can use interfaces to create some sorts of a contract to impose some conditions onto the classes that implement them. Now in this section, we'll have a look at some other utilities that interfaces provides us with. Okay, so I have already created an interfaces.ts file. I'm already running TypeScript compiler on that file to generate the TypeScript to generate the interfaces.js file, and then I've already added the interfaces.js file to my script stack. Okay, now say if I had a function that print movie details. Okay, it received a movie which was an object with attributes or keys like title, which would be a string, and say runtime, which would be a number, and then I logged the movie details to the console saying movie title is movie.title and movie runtime as movie.runtime. Okay, now if I say call the print movie details with an object with a title of say The Godfather and a runtime of say 180 in minutes, and if I check back on the HTML, reload it, I'll see that the movie title is The Godfather and the movie runtime is 180 minutes. Okay, now say I had another function that just printed the name of this movie, but it had a similar signature, but it just logged the movie name. Then we again called this function right here and saved this. It would just print The Godfather. Okay, now this might look as a very crude example to you guys, but then just bear with me. Suppose there were say 100 functions similar to this nature that required a movie, an object of type movie as an argument. You won't write all this noisy syntax each and every time you are defining a function like this, right? So to solve this with an interface, what we can do is we can create an interface named iMovie. Okay, and then we can say that it will have a title of type string and a runtime of type number. Okay, and then instead of typing in this whole noisy syntax, I can simply specify the type as iMovie. Okay, and if I save this now and check back here, reload this, it still displays the same message that we had earlier. Okay, with just a little bit of cleaner syntax. Okay, so that's one more way in which we can use interfaces to create types, and we'll be using this in a lot of examples that we'll look ahead of in the Angular sessions that we'll be starting soon. So this is one more and very important use case wherein you can use interfaces. Okay, so that was it regarding interfaces. In the next section, we'll have a look at arrow functions. So stay tuned. I'll see you on the other side. Thanks.